shared favorite from their earliest memories, and it was also a sweet connection that brought them closer together, even in the most unexpected way.
And years later, Magnolia became a source of strength through one of life's most difficult battles. Mga kaibigan, please watch this.
I was born an orphan. I grew up with my grandparents. Growing up when I was living in New Manila, which is just a few minutes away from Magnolia, Aurora, I look forward always for the weekends. And during the time that I was looking for my chocolate parfait sa Magnolia, to feel my happiness, I was excited ako that sa Magnolia ice cream. I never forget this. Usually, pagpunta ako ng automatic parfait or Helios.
Magkaiba talaga kami ng kasama ko. Every Saturday, nandun siya. Ako, once a year, every Saturday nandun ka. Mayroong isang Saturday, nandun din ako. Namatay yung tatay ko ng maaga. So yung mommy ko, minsan doon niya kami nala-advance. Only when there is a special occasion. I would always look forward to mga special occasions, like birthday ko every December. Nung bata ako, ice cream na talaga yung favorite ko. Now, I get to spend it and share it with you every day. I don't have to wait once a year. Si June, kaka-16 niya. So, nagpa-party ako nun. Big party. Nag-isip kami kung ano yung pwedeng dessert. Nag-order kami ng Magnolia. Kasi we really wanted to share kung ano yung gusto niya. Talaga, Magnolia, pag merong party, may birthday celebration, tradition yun sa amin eh. We say happy birthday, we blow the cake, and then we eat ice cream. Naiyak na ako just thinking about it. I was diagnosed with breast cancer last year, so I just found out in October. During chemotherapy, masama talaga yung lasa ng lahat ng food. Yung hindi ka masama ang lasa. So, Magnolia ice cream. Yun lang talaga yung nakakain ko during that time. Nabuhay ko sa ice cream from October to January, because that was the chemo period. And then I had my surgery in March. Ice cream talaga. It brings so much comfort to me, knowing na when everything else is going wrong, is painful, does not taste well, pero ice cream, hindi nagbago. Very comforting pa rin.
During her chemo therapy, na-notice ko lahat ng favorite foods niya, pinaluto niya kay Yaya. Usually, ubus yan eh. Pero naiiyak siya kasi lahat ng nilasahan ng food na favorite niya request, hindi niya makain, iba na ng lasa. So I can Magnolia to the rescue.
You never lose that hope and you never lose that joy because there's always something na magpapaligaya at magdahilan kung bakit ka gumising every day.
Happy 100 years, Magnolia. Salamat sa, all the happiness that you've given me.
And my wish for you is that you continue to bring joy to a lot of Filipino people because the way you have brought joy in my life, kahit anong pangyari, meron pa rin tayong reason para mag-celebrate.